Here I have Archos Oxygen 57 and let me show you top tricks on the following device. So at the very beginning let's start with navigation bar. So you can customize your navigation bar by using the settings. So let me find settings right here, choose navigation bar, and as you can see here you can enable navigation bar to hide your navigation bar. You can change some buttons on your navigation bar right here. For example, let me leave the following one. Let's go back. Let me show you now the second trick, so let me show you the gestures. If you scroll down and choose system, you can find here gestures. For example, you can swipe fingerprint for notification if you would like to. You can also jump to camera if you have enabled this feature. So all you need to do is use 2 times power key and you can jump to camera. It's really useful. Let's go back, and you can also prevent ringing by using power and volume up together. Alright, now let's go next. Let me show you the scheduled power on and off. So here you can find scheduled power on and off. As you can see, you can for example power on your device by using this switcher, and if you tap on power on you can set the time, for example every day at 8 AM. Alright, let me choose 8 AM, tap OK. You can choose repeat day, let me use the weekday, let's tap done. You can also enable power off, for example every day at 9 PM. Alright, so that's it. Let's go back. Now let me show you the next trick. Let me show you the magnification. So all you need to do is use here accessibility, choose magnification, and let's enable this feature by using this switcher right here. Now you can magnify things by triple tapping, and here you can change the position by using 2 fingers. Let's triple tap to quit the magnification service. That's it. Now let's go back. Let me show you the last trick. So let me show you the night light. Here let's find the display, choose here night light, and let's enable this feature by using turn on. You can use the intensity settings, you can set up the end time, you can also use the scheduled time, for example. You can turn on the night light on customized time, and basically you can set up here everything about the night light. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.